Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl, Star Flames, and we're back with another banging video, baby. So, if you're new, you guys know the do. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and help your girl out. Now, guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about Sean Diddy Combs celebrating a major legal victory, honey, against Cardelo Smith, exactly as I told you guys all it would have happened. In case you guys haven't been keeping up with my channel, see, what had happened was, there's this man, he's behind bars, he's a serial awardist, read between the lines, and he's a sexual abuser as well, and he's serving time behind bars for those things. Now, Cardelo Smith has been going around suing various celebrities, like no celebrity is off the chart for him. He just handpicks, he just files a lawsuit, and he sues, and the case gets thrown out. He has a history, he has a track record. Think about the, most angelic of celebrities. He targets that celebrity, he sues the lawsuit, the court reveals it, and no, this is just ridiculous. So he has done the same thing to Sean Diddy Combs. Look out, shortly he's gonna file a lawsuit against Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, because this is how he often picks his target. Once they're in the media, for good, for bad, or for just gossip, he's like, oh, you're trending, I'm gonna sue you. You did something to me. Literally. That is how this man operates, right? So just to give you guys a background into who Cardelo Smith is and his patterns, he has a pattern. Now, when he filed this lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs, he named Jennifer Lopez as his witness. And also, I think that there are some things in this lawsuit that can indicate or highlight to you people as to why it is that the lawsuit that the VMA Bandit filed against Jay-Z will be thrown out just the same, because the court is using Diddy's legal team argued the same argument as Jay-Z's legal team, statute of limitation, protection, along with inconsistencies and all of that. So that's how the court arrived at this decision, right? So, as I was saying, so Cardelo Smith sued Jay-Z for $400 million. He claimed that Diddy assaulted him back in 1997 at the Holiday Inn in Detroit. No, the time that he's claiming the incident took place, Diddy was not in that vicinity, not in that area. Diddy has evidence to his whereabouts, which his legal team provided to the court. Also, at the time when Diddy's legal team was responding to the court, they highlighted Cardelo Smith history and track record with being obsessed with celebrities, filing lawsuits against them, the lawsuits getting tossed out consistently. So as such, Diddy asked the judge to look into the facts, throw out the lawsuit, and not only that, he wants Cardelo Smith to pay his legal fees, because Cardelo Smith has a history and the court shouldn't have been allowing him to abuse the legal system. I must say that Diddy's argument definitely makes a lot of sense, but also we have to consider constitutional right. Yes, it is Cardelo's constitutional right to file a lawsuit, but it doesn't mean that it's going to go anywhere. The legal system has to allow him to file the lawsuit, then they review the information, and then it gets thrown out. So while he might be right, Cardelo Smith has his constitutional right as well to sue whomever he feels, to lie on whoever he feels. I tell you, the legal system is a bit weird, right? I know you guys agree on that one. Now, let's get into this report so that you guys have some more information for your verification and reference. Now, According to reports, in a dramatic legal development, a Michigan federal judge has dismissed a $400 million lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs filed by Derek Lee Cardello Smith, a male prisoner who alleged sexual assault by the music mogul. The case, which had drawn considerable attention due to the involvement of Jennifer Lopez, was tossed out on Wednesday. Cardello Smith claimed that Diddy assaulted him in 1997 at a Holiday Inn in Detroit. Now, guys, it doesn't stop there. They're saying, however, the lawsuit was deemed invalid due to the statute of limitation. The same thing that jayz is arguing. He's saying there was no law in place to protect minors, and, the clause under which the VMA bandit is using Jane Doe, the clause didn't exist at the time that she's claiming the incident had happened, which means that Jane Doe cannot go as Jane Doe under that clause, so she has to reveal her name. So this case can actually mirror some of the expected outcome in jayz's case. But let's continue, right? Which, at the time of the alleged incident, allowed only 3 years for such claims. With a lawsuit being filed in 2024, it was long past the allowable period to seek legal recourse. Now, it doesn't end there, because there are some more arguments, and it's why the case was thrown out. Now they're saying, adding a layer of intrigue, Cardello Smith intended to involve Jennifer Lopez as a witness. He alleged that Lopez had crucial information related to his claims due to her romantic involvement with Diddy years after the incident. This unexpected move complicated the case and contributed to the judge's decision to dismiss it. Now, they have the defense presentation. Diddy's legal team argued that the lawsuit was part of a series of unfounded and harassing claims against him. They pointed out inconsistencies in Derek Cardello Smith's narrative, emphasizing that he had filed lawsuits in 2 different courts, alleging the assault occurred in 2 different counties on the same day. The judge, while dismissing the case, denied Diddy's request for sanction against Cardello Smith. The judge shouldn't have done that, though, because this man has a pattern. Now they're saying, however, the judge issued a stern warning to Cardello Smith, cautioning against filing frivolous lawsuits in the future. The prisoner's extensive criminal history, including convictions of sexual assault and kidnapping, was also highlighted during the proceedings. For Diddy, this lawsuit's dismissal is a significant development in his ongoing legal difficulties. He continues to maintain his innocence, with his legal team focused on preventing any further lawsuits from Cardello Smith. Now, this lawsuit is very interesting, but it has been dismissed, thank God, because if you've been paying attention, you guys would know that based on the details that Cardello Smith had in the lawsuit really did make sense. And again, one of the main arguments is him stating that the incident happened in 2 different counties, 2 different places, 2 different times. Those aren't the only inconsistencies. There are a bunch of others, but the court used the main one in their decision to dismiss the case. But that's all I have to share in this video with you guys. Sean Diddy is, I bet he's feeling strengthened at this point. Now that he sees that cases are getting dismissed left, right, and center, he's gonna be fighting back and coming back swinging. Also, guys, when we see a lawsuit against Diddy, remember that while you're looking at that lawsuit, also look the other way, because these lawsuits are being used as a distraction from bigger things that is going on, mainly political events. So please bear that in mind. But that's all I have to share in this video with you all. Let me know what are your thoughts. While you're at it, thumbs up, subscribe, do all you need to do on this video to help your girl out. Stay safe, stay blessed, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.